Hi, this is Poonam Sharma and welcome to Sadbhavna News.
First case of patient infected with black, white and yellow fungus reported from UP. The patient aged 45 has been infected with black and white fungus apart from yellow fungus and is currently undergoing treatment at a city hospital. After cases of black and white fungus, both post-COVID complications, have been reported from several states. A first such case of yellow fungus was detected in Uttar Pradesh's Ghaziabad district on Monday, informed Dr. BP Tyagi, an ear, nose, throat specialist. Dr. Tyagi said that the patient is also infected with black and white fungus apart from yellow fungus and is currently undergoing treatment at a city hospital. The patient aged 45 is a resident of Sanjay Nagar, he added. According to Dr. Tyagi, the symptoms of Mucor septicus, yellow fungus, are lethargy, reduced or loss of appetite, and weight loss. As it progresses, severe symptoms such as leakage of pus and slow healing of wounds. Sunken eyes due to malnutrition and organ failure and necrosis, a form of cell injury which results in the premature death of cells in living tissue. Yellow fungus is a fatal disease because it starts internally and therefore it is important to note its symptoms. This unfortunately makes it very difficult to manage the disease, leading to delay in receiving treatment in many cases, said Dr. Tyagi, adding that the only cure available for the disease is amphotericin B injection. It is very important to clean out the enclosure around the house, keep it as clean as possible, and remove old food. Fecal matter as soon as possible to help prevent the growth of bacteria and fungus, said Dr. Tyagi. The ENT specialist further said the humidity of the house is also important, so it should be measured at all times. Too much humidity can promote the growth of bacteria and fungus. For COVID patients, it is important to adopt a medical practice as soon as possible so that the body does not give rise to further complications like yellow fungus. According to the patient's caretaker, the patient was undergoing treatment for COVID-19 for the past 2 months and was also recovering. But in the last 4 days, one side of the patient's face started swelling up, due to which he was unable to open his eyes. Bleeding from the nose as well as bleeding in urine also started. In a hurry, the patient was admitted to the hospital where medical examination revealed yellow fungus.
Powered by Arthros Clinic, a dedicated center for arthroscopy and sports injuries.